Well, more witnesses took the stand today in James Crumbley's involuntary manslaughter trial. One of them was the counselor who called James and Jennifer Crumbley on the day of the shooting. CBS News Detroit's Andres Gutierrez is on your block in Pontiac with a look at everything that happened in court today on this day 3 of testimony.
Much of the afternoon was dedicated to the ATF special agent who traced the murder weapon and the shooter's history with it and said that the teen had practiced with other handguns that James Crumbley bought him. You may remember on Friday, the jury got to hear Crumbley tell investigators on the day of the shooting at the police substation that he had been taking his son to the range to try to teach him about gun safety. Today, they learned more about those visits at least 6 different times between June and November of 2021. The trips were to an indoor range in Clarkston that began shortly after James bought a .22 caliber Caltech and a Derringer. In one video, you can see James helping out his son at the range when the .22 caliber jams up. Earlier in the day, we heard extensively from the school counselor who had several teachers reach out to him raising concerns about the shooter's mental health. The questioning zeroed in on November 29, 2021, when Crumbley's son was looking at bullets in class. The next day, the morning of the shooting, 2 teachers contacted his counselor, one saying Crumbley's son was watching a movie scene of a person shooting people. The other teacher raised the red flag over that infamous math assignment with the drawing of a gun and the words, "The thoughts won't stop, please help me." That prompted the counselor to call the teen's parents.
My hope was that they were going to take him and either take him to get help or even just to take him to let's have a good day. Let's have a day where we just spend time with you, where we are with you.
To take him out of school?
Yeah.
Did you believe that he could be left alone at that point?
I didn't want him left alone. I didn't want to make that decision that he was okay to be left alone. So that's why I stayed with him for as long as I did, until I had parents there.
He went on to say he gave the shooter's parents 3 pages filled with mental health resources in the area, but Jennifer Crumbley told him it wouldn't be possible to get him help that day and cut the meeting short, leaving him in school. And without knowing that they had bought him a gun days before, the dean of students also testified today that there was no reason that they would have searched the teen's backpack, where they would have found the 9mm used to commit the worst school shooting in state history. Reporting in Pontiac, Andres Gutierrez, CBS News, Detroit.